All right, time for math. I'm going to hold up the number cards. You're going to say the number. You don't even have to write it today. Just say the number, and we'll do these quick together. Ready? How many tens and ones? This is 31. 1, 2, 3, 4, 44. 43. 23. 24. 22. 21. 10, 11, 12. 11, because there's 10 plus 1 is 11. 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. 34. Good job. All right, we will keep practicing those, so don't worry if you didn't get them that quickly. All right, take out your whiteboard and marker. We're going to do some word problems. I'll read it to you, and we'll do the number bond. So make your 2 circles and a square at the top, and then we're going to have our fact family lines underneath. So you can go ahead and put that on your board so you'll be all ready for the first one. All right, I'll just give you a couple seconds to get that done, and then we will get started. All right, I had 2 chocolate cookies on my plate, and then I put some oatmeal cookies on my plate. All together, I had 6 cookies. How many of them were oatmeal? So they changed it on us. They gave us 2 numbers, but they didn't give us the 2 top numbers. They gave us one of the top numbers. We had 2 chocolate chip cookies and 6 altogether. So now I have to figure out what's missing right there. So let me write my 2 differently. I'm sorry. All right, so I need to do 6 take away 2 to figure out what comes there. 6 take away 2. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we'll cross out 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 goes up there. All right, now we're going to write our 2 number sentences. 2 plus 4 equals 6. And then we're going to we'll do it backwards. 6 equals 4 plus 2. All right, did you get both of those? Good, let's keep moving. Let's do a couple more of those. They're kind of tricky with giving us that different number. So I'm going to put my number bond back on, and we'll figure it out from there. All right, I made a bracelet. I had 4 red beads, and I added some pink beads. Then I had 7 beads altogether. So they gave us our altogether, and we have to figure out how many of the beads were pink. If 4 of them were already red, how many were pink? So I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm going to cross out 4. How many were pink? 3. Good. Now let's write the fact family for 4, 3, and 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. See how we can flip those 2 around and they still equal 7? Awesome. Let's do 2 more together before we do our paper today. Let me draw that back on. I had 2 yellow pencils and some orange pencils in my pencil box. I had 4 pencils altogether. How many pencils did I have? Well, she had 4, and 2 of them were yellow. How many were orange? 2. This one would be the same if we wrote it twice. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And since both of those are 4, we can't switch it around. That's the only number sentence for this one. All right, one more. There were 3 gray mice in the field. Then some more white mice came. Now there are 5 mice in the field. How many were white? 5. Cross out 3. How many were white? 2. All right, let's write our 2 facts. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Did you get that? Awesome. All right, go ahead now, my friends, and get out your paper for today. You're going to need your scissors and your glue again, and it's a paper that looks like this. It has flowers at the bottom, and it looks like our page from yesterday. It's a word problem. I'll read it, and we'll do it together. If you think you already know how and you can read that, go ahead. You can turn the video off and go ahead and do it. If you want to follow along with me, that's fine too. Keep working right here with me. You're going to need your crayons. There were 3 yellow flowers in the field. So I don't have a yellow crayon right here with me, but I'm going to draw 3 flowers right now. And then I'm just going to put a Y above them so I know these are the yellow ones. So this is what I did. 3 yellow. If you didn't want to draw it, this is also where you can cut. You can cut these out and use these too. I forgot about the cutting part. You can cut these and paste them on there, and then you don't have to draw. So I'm going to go ahead and glue these on. There's 3 yellow. All right, looks like that. 3, and they're yellow. You color them yellow. If you don't have a yellow crayon, just put a Y so you know they're yellow. I had 7 flowers in all. How many pink flowers did I have? I need to make 7, and I've got 3 on there. So I'm going to use the rest of my flowers here that I cut out, and I'm going to start counting and see how many more flowers I need to add. All right, if I've got 3, let's see. 4. Let me glue that one on. All right, there's 4. And remember, I have to get to 7. 5, 6, 7. All right, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I colored 3 of them yellow. How many did I just have to add? 1, 2, 3, 4. I had to add 3 more, so now I have 3 plus 4 equals 7. I added 4 more. There were 3 yellow flowers and some pink. So what color are you going to color these? Pink. If you don't have a pink crayon, put a P so you know those are your pink ones. And how many flowers did they have all together? 7. All right, let's fill in our number bond. I'm going to put away my glue really quick and get my board out so I can write on this paper. All right, look at your number bond right down here. How many flowers were yellow? 3. And how many flowers were pink? 4. And if I add them together, 3 plus 4 is 7. So your number bond would look like this, 3, 4, 7. Now let's write our fact families over here. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Then we flip these two numbers. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now we're going to do some subtraction. So if I had, we're going to start both of these with 7 because we start with the total on subtraction. I have 7 minus the yellow. How many yellows? 3. How many left are pink? 4. If I have 7 altogether and I take away the pink ones, I'm taking away 4. And how many yellows are left? 3. So there's our fact families. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 7 minus 3 equals 4. 7 minus 4 equals 3. If yours looks like that, give yourself a giant smiley face for today. Great work. All right, friends. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you all again on Monday. Bye.